Thank you very much, Alexandru, for the latest updates you did to this page. The reason we are a little bit in a hurry and the reason we want this page to be so perfect is because 1 week ago Google made an update to an algorithm called the Panda update, and the purpose of this update was to take away pages that has low quality from the search index. And for some reason Google saw our pages and took these inquiry pages away from the index, and that means that we have now dropped very much with the traffic and lost a lot of turnover, and we are very eager to try and make this better and get this traffic back. So we have taken the design you have made, we have sent it to an SEO expert, and we have gotten some feedback about how can we make the quality of this page better in Google eyes, and what can we do to this page. So now we have some new updates, new things we would like you to improve on it, so that this page will be absolutely amazing in the Google eyes, and also in the people who will visit it, of course. So let me go through these changes. First of all, in the header, this section is actually not fitting to the state when it's booked. So I want you to make the header a little bit differently. I want you to take a header that looks like this. It doesn't matter which logo, which picture in the middle, or which text, which language we have here, it doesn't matter. If you can find this somewhere in the design pipeline, then just put in this header on this page, and if you can find it, I will send you this link and maybe you can grab it from here. The next thing I want you to do is take this orange line here and not make it lorem ipsum, but make it the real text that we want to put in. Just like we have it on this page, I want you to write here with orange text, this customer searched for, and then make a dynamic field just like here and write artist type in the area of, and then make a dynamic field and write area, not city but area. And then you will stop the orange line, and I think it will be stopped somewhere like here. Then we will start a new black line, and that will look pretty much like we have it here. So a new black line will start, and that can just be lorem ipsum text, it doesn't matter. Good, let me see. Then I want you to go down, well, I want you to put the word book before each of the names on these buttons. So book this band, book this name, book this name, book this name, on all of them. On the featured artist we have agreed, because on the featured artist we have a special text. So if you can put the text that we had here below, if you can put that in again and then just move this button down, make this field some bigger. So if you can remember, we had this, I don't know how many lines, 10 lines of text. Put that, but only on the featured artists. Put that on again. And then I would like you to take the communication section and move it down under this section, but before the footer. But in this section I would like you to add 3 bulleting text. One should say, this customer got X offers. The other one should say, inquiry created on, and then write a date. And the last one should say, customer booked an artist. So if you imagine that we have the quote here, it's pretty much as you see it, and then you add a little bit of extra gray text. I don't know where you want to add it. You can add it anywhere. This should just be an information. I'm seeing this as a bulleted kind of indexed text here, where we have this free info. This customer got X offers, created on, and then date, and customer booked an artist. And add that under each of these 3 ones. And then we would like you to grab this box, this exact box, copy it down just before the footer and add it again so that it's in the top, because this is our call to action. It should be here in the top where you put it already, and then it should also be just in the bottom of the page. But in the bottom of the page we want you to change the top line here and instead write, now let's us match you with an amazing artist. So now let us match you with an amazing artist, write that here, and remove this second line, but keep this one, and of course the picture. So that should be it, I hope, and hopefully this page will be perfect now.